Tempur-Pedic 11284210 Tempur Supreme 3-inch medium firm mattress topper, twin, white memory foam mattress topper. Designed with the same pressure-relieving Tempur material found in our mattresses, this 3-inch memory foam mattress topper conforms to your body to deliver more restful sleep. Adapts to your body. Tempur material responds to your body's temperature, weight, and shape for precise, personalized comfort and support. Washable cover. Say goodbye to dirt, dust, allergens, and dust mites with a breathable, machine-washable cover. Multi-use topper. This conforming mattress topper is not only the perfect way to upgrade your own bed, but also enhances comfort in guest rooms, dorm rooms, for travel, and more. Durable and reliable. More durable than the average memory foam mattress topper, our innovative, proprietary material is designed for years of long-lasting comfort that won't let you down. Size twin material foam brand Tempur-Pedic fabric type memory foam item display dimensions 74 by 38 by 3 inches. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.